Now we're going to turn to more breaking news. The market's down this morning in the wake of Israel's strikes on Iran and renewed fears of a broader regional war after Iran's nuclear sites were targeted. You can see the Dow now down 661 points. Joining us now is NBC News senior business correspondent Christine Romans. What are the big takeaways emerging here? Which markets are we watching specifically? Which sectors?
Well, spiking oil markets here is the really big thing to watch. And you see the stock markets are near the lows of the day, but those oil prices up some 8%. Heightened geopolitical tensions, never good for the oil market. And what's so fascinating, it's been lower energy prices that have helped keep a lid on inflation. So now you have flaring tensions in the Middle East kind of threatening to undo some of the good news we've heard in the last few days on the inflation story. Stocks here down in the Dow down about 600 points. And this is, again, coming off of a pretty decent run from those April lows on tariff fears. Now you have more geopolitical tensions, a new kind of worry to put in a basket of international worries. And so that's what you're seeing, a kind of a classic response in the markets to geopolitical concerns.
I mean, this is uncertainty stacked upon uncertainty here. What will you be watching in the next few days?
What's so fascinating to me is we just got a reading on the consumer that was actually better than expected. Remember how sour people were saying they felt in May and in April because of tariff worries? Well, actually, people were starting to feel a little bit better because the president had backed off of some of the worst of his threats. Now you have a new concern added into this picture with rising oil prices. So I'll be watching oil prices. Do they stay at these lofty levels? And how quickly does that feed into maybe higher inflation for consumers in the days and weeks ahead?
And of course, I think oil prices, meaning gas prices,
Gasoline,
are something to watch as well. And we know that the gas prices have been going down, which has been nice for a lot of us. Thank you so much, Christine, for keeping us updated. Up next.